Hey, hi, this is Sampath. Today I'm going to show you how to scrap targeted LinkedIn data, including email addresses. So this video is going to be very easy and just we have to follow 3 steps. Using these 3 steps, we can easily grab targeted information. So this video is going to be completely non-technical. No need to be any technical skills for this, just simple process. So first go to this website called recruiting.net. So if you see here recruiting.net, easily use Google to search profiles on LinkedIn. So we are going to collect LinkedIn data on Google search results, and this website will suggest us some code for that. Suppose if you can see here, we have to select here our targeted country. Then after here, just select here whatever your targeted job role is. Suppose CEO or VP sales or anything like that. Suppose CEO I can say, or like sales director, sales director. See, simply I'm just putting here sales director. Then after, if you have any like keywords, suppose for example broad target like targeted city based research also, you can just type that. For example, I'm just typing here New York. Then just simply click find the right people on LinkedIn. Just simply click this. So once we click this, automatically this tool will generate some code for us. So just simply click open in Google. So once we do this, then automatically we can have a chance to see all the targeted profiles here. See, if LinkedIn have some limit for visiting profiles, so but here we can have a chance to visit LinkedIn profiles unlimitedly. See here how many profiles are there. So if you can see here, profiles we are seeing, right? So but emails we are not seeing here. So just for that, so what we need to do is, so if you can see here profiles, right? After profiles, just simply type @gmail.com. @gmail.com. Simply click enter. So once we click, then we can have a chance to see here targeted email address. Just click Control F and type @ then see, then boom. See, sales directors, see here, New York area sales director. See, if these people is our targeted audience, then we can have a chance to grab easily all these emails and we can pitch them. See how much information are there. Now I'm going to show you guys all the information like name, like URLs and emails in just a small click. We can also have a chance to grab all these 100 results. I'm going to show you that is going to be very crazy. See how many emails are there here. If you are looking for more broad target, so if you have any more targeted industry research also, you can just type here that industry. So then we can have a chance to see again targeted industry also, but we can have a chance to less profiles compared to this. See if you are targeting nationwide, so you can have a chance to get more data like this. Now we are seeing information, right? See here we have targeted profiles and we have targeted email address and we have everything. So see here, I might see here 100 results, right? So you might not see this many results. So just change here such settings, go to settings, then after such settings. So just here select up to 100, then click save. So if you click 100 then save, then you can also have a chance to see so many results like this. So then close this. Then you have to install here one Chrome extension called data mining Chrome extension. So this is the tool. So if you can see here, this is the tool. This is the Chrome extension actually. So you have to install this Chrome extension. With using this Chrome extension only, we are grabbing all the information, whatever the information here we are seeing, all the information in just single click. We will grab all the information. So install this Chrome extension. Once you install this Chrome extension, simply here click this Chrome extension. Make sure log in. So I'm using the free version. Free version is so much enough for doing all these things. So go to public. Once you open, go to public. Then simply scroll down a little bit here. If you can see here, Google X-Ray LinkedIn 2018, right? Just here click run. Once you click run, what will happen is automatically this tool will grab all the information. See whatever the information on Google search we are seeing, all the information here we can have a chance to see. See name, email, first name, last name, email address, LinkedIn profile, and summary, everything like that. Just simply click download. So just simply click download. So we can have a chance to see all the information in CSV file. See, just see here. So open this file. So once you open this file, so all this information we can have a chance to see there. Whatever the information we are seeing on here, so all the information here we can have a chance to see. See first name, last name, email address, profile, everything here, summary, everything. Boom! All this information here we can have a chance to see. How cool is this, right? See, in just some time, we are grabbing all the LinkedIn information in just a CSV file. See, whatever the information out there here, we grabbed all the information. How cool is this, right? So the same thing, go to second page and same thing, collect more 100, and third page, more collect 100, same like this. Then we can change here such term called ready, Yahoo, all, so XYZ, and we can have a chance to collect hundreds of leads here like this in just some time. So we can have a chance to collect here like this. How cool is this, right? In just some time, we can have a chance to collect all this data. So hope this video will helpful to you guys. So if you have any doubts regarding this process, just make sure comment in the video section. So I will definitely reply your comment. So just first here, we just went to this website. Just we entered our targeted audience here. This tool generated one code. Then simply here we change here just our based on our content. Just simply here we change gmail.com. Then simply we can have a chance to see all the targeted information. Then we install this Chrome extension. Boom! So we grabbed all the information. Simple process. This just a 3 steps. That's it. So it won't take much time also. Just do it and crush it, guys. So if you are any help regarding this process, just comment in the video comment sections. If you are facing any problem, definitely I will reply your comment. Or if you are looking for any data scraping services or B2B lead generation services, just feel free to contact me. So if you have any list of companies, I will give you the companies decision makers list, so employers list if you want. Or if you need targeted LinkedIn information, I will give you the company information, title, company website name, so location, and all the informations I will give you. Or if you are looking for some industry related data, I will give you that industry related data also. So if you have local business lists, or if you need local business lists also, I will give you that local business list, including name, email, so uh, social media accounts, etc. and all. So if you have any requirement like this, feel free to contact me. I'm mentioning my contact details in the description box. So thank you very much for watching this video. So please make sure subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.